Welcome to the Neural Stack for Work demo video. Today I'm going to show how a user can basically use the service for the first time. And you don't even have to purchase any tokens at this point. Tokens will be tradable for use later, and there will be more implementations as we progress forward. This is nsfw avax.glitch.me is the current build site. You can go there, and once there, you'll want to have MetaMask installed. I'm just going to create a brand new wallet here. We're going to call it NSFW new demo. So you can see that I have nothing in my account here. It's brand new. It's on AVAX. Currently not connected to the page that we're on. So as I come here, we're going to go to, well, first off, we'll go to the account page. We can see that nothing loads. So we have to go, okay, we need to connect our wallet. And we connect it. It's going to give us a default address, our username. So we're going to go demo NSFW. We're going to save that. And so there we go. We got our picture updated. We got no images. We got 3 credits because you're going to get 3 credits every day. Unless you hold a stack chat, then you get 5. That's our NFT. Join our Discord. Find out more. So if you come here, we have this prompt generation tool. So at this point, you wouldn't be able to use it because you need to hold either 10,000 stack, stack chat NFT, or if you are holding 1 billion cock in you, you could. But this is a brand new wallet. I don't have any of that on there. You can see those are listed there as well. The customize takes you to that profile. Sorry, let me go back. Okay, so where that is blocked off, if we were to hold it, it would let me do that. And you can see in other videos I demo that. And it's nice just because it is a tool to create prompts for you. But we'll just skip that and we'll go straight to image generation. So you can see here we have 3 credits. And every 24 hours, we'll get a daily refresh of 3 credits. Up to a total of 10 free credits. And so we can come here and we can say, let's do a rear view of a super car with a NSFW. Oops, sorry, I can't type. AVAX license plate. Oh, and we're going to hit T-Shirtify, and then we're going to hit Enhance. So what T-Shirtify does is it changes the aspect ratio. And then Enhance just makes the prompt a little more enhanced. Gives it a lot more detail. And so we're going to go here. We could pick a different aspect ratio, but this is good for a t-shirt. So we're going to keep that there. So if you select that, it'll close. And then we're going to go here and hit this Generate Image button. And that should consume a credit here and create an image for us. And because we did T-Shirtify, it made the image have a pretty solid background, so it'll be easy to remove the background later. So if I go here, it's yellow, meaning that it's a temporary image, so I haven't saved it yet. So if I went to my account, here I can see it's yellow, it's temporary, it's not in my saved images. So you'll have 5 temporary images and they'll start to overwrite each other over time. But good news is I can come here and I can hit Save to Gallery. Now it's a green image, and now it will update, but it'll store as one of my 25 images, which is good because that means I can come here and I could either upload an image, I'm going to do that, or I could go to one of my saved images here and I can proceed to edit it. It's got a description of it. It tells me the size of the image. And I could come here and remove the background, or I can actually go ahead and do a creative upscale. And the more creative I get, the more it's going to diverge from my image, and the more, if I keep this simple, low, or keep this the resemblance so it looks the same with as little creativity as possible, it'll stay the same. And a 2x, 3x, or 4x, it's 2, 3, or 4 credits each. That's basically just based on the rate of GPU hours. So the more upscales are more intense than an image generation because it's going to take it, it's going to look at the image and it's going to try and create a better version of that image, but a much larger pixel count. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead. We can remove the background for 1 credit cost here, and that's going to intelligently select what the image is. And there we go. We're going to save and replace. And dope. Now we got a pretty cool image of our car here. So we can download that. And there we go, we got it there. And then you could go like put that in Photoshop or Canva or some other tool, layer it on another background. Eventually I'm going to build my own editor within the UI. But that gives you an idea there. And so we refresh that, show our credits. This is a editor. It's not quite ready yet. Just trying to get this ready for launch. So gen credits were down to 1. So totally free. You do that every 24 hours. Obviously, once NSFW is available, and I will adjust this based on price, what it's trading. Basically, a 10 credit should be $1. So once the price is figured out, this will automatically update, and it'll give you an exact amount. If I try and purchase it now, it knows, it doesn't give an error here, but it knows I don't have enough credits in my wallet. Let's see, insufficient balance. I can't burn cock either to buy credits. Insufficient balance. But anyways, let's go ahead. Let's generate one more. Let's do, how about a business man and cyborg holding neon sign and SFW on AVAX. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just enhance that. And there's a cooldown of 30 seconds, so you can't just keep enhancing because that is a basically a call to AI. And we can go ahead here and we're just going to do a tall one. And we're going to see what this does. Since we have 1 more credit, might as well burn it. Oh, wow. What did that change the prompt to? A sleek silver cyborg with balloon booster alongside a sharply dressed businessman. I didn't make it. I was going to make it half and half, but I guess I didn't do that. But now this is a little non-safe for work. These guys are getting a little too intimate. We can go ahead and save that to the gallery, and they'll take that. So now, if we went to our account page, we've got 2 images saved there. And we can always come back to edit. And we're done with that one, so we can delete that. We downloaded you'd want to make sure you download the one with the background removed so you don't lose that progress. But I'm going to delete that so I can show your, oh sweet, okay. We can edit this and maybe we could upscale or remove the background or download it from there. I won't do that, but I mean, you don't even have to go from a generated image. You could take an existing image that you have that you like say this sweet New Kids on the Block thing I tweeted about earlier. And you could go get a description of that. A group of 5 young boys play father. New Kids on the Block text. And then you could come, you can't edit it now, but you could come creatively upscale this, make it your own, or you could come remove the background, play with it. And this is just the beginning. I literally just been building out the foundation from where to go from here to make things fun. A couple things that I really want to do is create a way for people to train their own characters so that you can basically create your own keyword for a character and have it generate that character in an image. And also do that with styles and all sorts of things. I have a beta version of those. I've tested it. It works. Just is going to be more of a robust implementation, and I haven't been able to get to that before launch. And then we'll talk about other things outside of just image and art generation. So anyways, just wanted to demo that for all the new people that are going to be logging on for the first time when Stack launches on the 20th. When NSFW launches on the 20th. And show people how they can create an image to participate in our Twitter challenge where we're giving away either 10,000 NSFW or 10,000 Cock AI. So good luck to you and happy creating. Hopefully we see some really cool stuff. Stack on.